Okay, here's a site made by Mary.ie that we want to change some text on. It could be adding an image, removing an image, adding a piece of video or whatever, or just changing something very trivial. Um, how we do it is we go to this site called cms.cmsretrofit.com, where the site will have been set up, and we log into that particular site through a username and password, in this case an email and password, and go to edit site. What we're going to do is edit a piece of text here. So on this page you'll find this tab edit. There may be several of them relating to the parts of the page that are editable. So in this case there's only one, which is most of the page, so we just click on that. We go into edit mode and we're going to make a change here and click this OK button, and then we're going to upload it. So if I just click the section that I want to change, and I'm just adding something here, I click OK, and then page actions and publish. Okay, now go to the actual site here and let's just refresh, and there you go.